Ang open water swimming, ikumpara mo, may pool swimming, kasi yun ang alam ng Pilipino eh. Pool swimming, lalangoy ka lang doon in the four corners of the pool.
Mm.
Compare mo sa open water swimming, it's a vast, open space. Lalangoy ka doon anywhere you want, kung anong gusto mo. Pero, it is different from pool swimming. Kasi sa open water swimming, you're dealing with weather conditions.
Mm.
Anytime, mag-change yan, nakala mo, kalmado. When you swim na pala in the middle of 200 meters, nag-change yung yung tubig. Here comes the current, may agos na yan. You don't determine pa saan magaling ang agos, from my left side, from my right side, and sa harap ko, or at my back. You have to decipher everything.